Pozdravljeni. Japonska demokratska stranka je na parlamentarnih volitvah močno premagala vladajočo liberalno-demokratsko stranko. Gre za zgodovinsko zmago, saj so liberalci na oblasti skoraj brez prekinitve preko 50 let. Obljube zmagovalcev so obsežne. Če jim gre verjeti, na Japonskem ne bo nič več tako, kot je bilo. Odpravili bodo korupcijo, zagotovili gospodarsko rast, naslovili problem hitro starajočega se prebivalstva, zunanja politika ne bo več vezana na ukaze iz Washingtona. ZDA nameravajo začeti pogajanja o spremembi sporazuma SOFA, Status of Forces Agreement, s katerim je omogočena ameriška vojaška prisotnost, vojaško bazo na otoku Okinawa bi popolnoma zaprli. Japonske obrambne sile ne bodo več sodelovale v Afganistanu, prepovedati nameravajo nameščanje jedrskega orožja na japonskem teritoriju. Ameriško zunanje ministrstvo je že zanikalo možnost kakršnekoli spremembe statusa ameriških vojaških enot. Pogajanja s prejšnjo vlado o rahlem zmanjšanju vojaške prisotnosti na Okinavi v zameno za finančno pomoč so ustavili. Američani si od nove japonske oblasti želijo bistveno bolj fleksibilna stališča. V ZDA se nadaljujejo debate o reformah zdravstvenega sistema. Te vse bolj postajajo prostor za ideološke napade ameriške desnice na vse, kar bi okrepilo socialno državo. Debate so povsem zašle in ne naslavljajo več dejanskih problemov zdravstva v državi, ki zanj porabi največji delež BDP v razvitem svetu. Sočasno pa kar 50 milijonov prebivalcev nima osnovnega zdravstvenega zavarovanja.
This is the T4 policy of a Hitler policy in 1939, where he said certain lives are not worth living. Certain people, we should not spend the money to keep them alive. My question to you, one, is this policy is actually already on its way out. It already has been defeated by LaRouche. My question to you is, why do you continue to support a Nazi policy, as Obama has expressly supported this policy? Why are you supporting it?
A
real solution.
When you ask me that question, I am going to revert to my ethnic heritage and answer your question with a question. On what planet do you spend most of your time? You want me to answer the question? Yes, and you stand there with a picture of the president, the face to look like Hitler, and compare the effort to increase health care to the Nazis. My answer to you is, as I said before, it is a tribute to the First Amendment that this kind of vile, contemptible nonsense is so freely propagated. Ma'am, trying to have a conversation with you would be like trying to argue with a dining room table. I have no interest in doing it.
Obama je za desnico Hitler, socialist, tiran. Kakršnakoli reforma zdravstvenega sistema bi pomenila vmešavanje v posameznikovo svobodo, ubijanje bolnih in začetek diktature. Javno zdravstvo je neameriško, državi ni mogoče zaupati.
I told you that we were going to talk about these things. We're going to talk about Obama, the left, internationalists, graft, acorn-style organizations, revolution and hidden agenda. O-L-I-G-A-R-H. One letter is missing. Why did I select these words? Because acorn selects tides. They all select their words first and then tie them all together into one word. Oligarch, the one that's missing is why. I don't know if we're turning into an oligarchy or what we're turning into, but unless you ask why, we're going to transform into something. Ask questions now.
The clever young man who recently made it to the White House is a very fine hypnotist, partly because it is indeed extraordinary to see an African American at the pinnacle of power in the land of slavery. However, this is the 21st century, and race, together with gender and even class, can be very seductive tools of propaganda. For what is so often overlooked and what matters, I believe, above all, is the class one serves. George Bush's inner circle, from the State Department to the Supreme Court, was perhaps the most multiracial in presidential history. It was PC par excellence. It was also the most reactionary. He's a marketing dream. But like Calvin Klein or Benetton, he is a brand that promises something special, something exciting, almost risque, as if he might be radical, as if he might enact change. He makes people feel good. He's a postmodern man with no political baggage, and all that's fake. During his brief period in the Senate, Obama voted to continue the wars in Iraq and Afghanistan. He voted for the Patriot Act. He refused to support a bill for single-payer health care. He supported the death penalty. As a presidential candidate, he received more corporate backing than John McCain. Chris Hedges, the very fine author of Empire of Illusion, puts it very well. President Obama, he wrote, does one thing, and brand Obama gets you to believe another. This is the essence of successful advertising. You buy or do what the advertiser wants because of how they make you feel. Unquote. And so you are kept in a perpetual state of childishness.
Gruzija je v sredini avgusta zasegla 2 tovorni ladji, ki sta pluli proti Abhaziji. Tihotapili naj bi nafto in odpadne kovine. Vodstvo odcepljene Abhazije se je odzvalo z ukazom, ki od vojske zahteva, da potopi vsako gruzijsko ladjo, ki bi se znašla v teritorialnih vodah te odcepljene pokrajine. V teh operacijah naj ne bi sodelovala ruska mornarica. Gruzijski obrambni minister je abhazijska navodila vojske označil za predvolilno blefiranje, saj pokrajina sama nima mornarice ali druge oborožitve, s katero bi lahko potopili ladje. Zdravniki v Faludži, ki je bila močno bombardirana, poročajo o naraščajočem številu novorojencev z razvojnimi nepravilnostmi. Podobno se dogaja v indijskem Pandžabu. Glavni sum za rojevanje otrok s hudimi nepravilnostmi pada na osiromašen uran, ki ga vetrovi nosijo iz Afganistana in Iraka. Ta lahko kontaminirana področja, ki so oddaljena več kot 1500 km od prvotnega izpusta. Ocene strokovnjakov predvidevajo, da je na območju Iraka in Afganistana prisotno kar 1000 ton osiromašenega urana. Prebivalstvo na teh območjih je imelo ob testiranjih kar 100-krat povečano vsebnost urana v urinu. Urana v urinu. Od leta 1991 so ZDA v atmosfero zaradi uporabe orožij z osiromašenim uranom izpustile radioaktivnost v obsegu, ki kar 40 000-krat presega radioaktivno kontaminacijo jedrske bombe odvržene nad Hirošimo ali 10-krat presega kontaminacijo vseh atmosferskih jedrskih poskusov. Razpolovni čas urana je 2,5 milijarde let. Iz ljubljanskega studia 142 takle imamo.